So I realized I hadn't got a cold start video or anything. This is the Hindle pipe. We run these on a lot of the Groms. We get a cold start video. Still got the stock pre-silencer and cat on there. So let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, it's pretty quiet to me. That's what it sounds like. Now let's make it obnoxiously loud. I'm back with the Duke. We're about to throw this on. This sweet competition works. I can just cat delete and pre-silencer delete. I picked this up from a guy on the forums for 40 bucks shipped. Shout out to you if you're watching, man. I appreciate it.
Is that what Choppa
Alright, so
they do fake? No.
yeah. Everything's clickbait too, man.
Fake first starts.
Yeah.
Cold start.
Alright, so we're probably gonna have an exhaust leak because it usually never works right the first time.
Shut up and start the bike.
You got it.
Thank you.
Yes, Dan. Yes. Because there's exhaust leaks.
Yeah. What do you think? You always gotta have one hater.
It sounds like Nick's Grom.
Yeah, it does. I said it was gonna sound good. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah! That is chopping.
Oh my god.
Hey, roll it outside so it's not underneath. So you can kick it.
Yeah, roll it backwards. That is insane, dude. I might put that pre-silencer back on. I don't know. That is obnoxious, dude.
Yeah, it's still loud.
Yeah, it's still loud. That's crazy.
Sounds good idle.
Oh my god. You said you wanted to do hood rat shit. What? You did say you wanted to do hood rat shit. We're gonna fix that. What's up, buddy? I'm telling you right now, y'all don't want the smoke. What's up, Killer? So you keeping it? Let's go, dude. Let's go. I was so sad when you said you were selling it.
Nick talked me into it.
Hey, that is clean.
About to head over to Nick's. We're gonna go get some footage of the Duke versus the SMCR. Let's get a cold start real quick. That's just crazy. That water is from where I washed the bike, so it's just water. We're out here with the 390s. As you can see, we got mine and Nick's. Piece of shit. You gonna drop your bike? All right, he's moving the China bike. All right, so we got, turn the camera around, show yourself. We got Corbin with us today. Say hey, Corbin.
Hey, Corbin.
Thanks for filming, buddy. So we're gonna race the 390s just for fun. Mine's probably gonna be a little faster, but Nick's a better rider, so we don't know. Holy shit! Yeah. Oh boy.
You got that? Yeah.
Holy shit, I got it on this.
We got a little boat.
Yo, Nick.
Yo.
Why are we in the truck, dog?
Man, that's what happens when you try to launch at 7,000 RPM and you go straight 12 o'clock. Yeah, so we broke the clutch lever, so.
I don't think I got you on camera saying that you haven't launched it yet.
Me either. I never launched this bike.
I haven't launched it yet, really. That was the first time I launched it. And I know never launched it again. You hit my fucking truck.
Hey, dude.
Many hours later.
We stopped at this old country store that I used to get food at, but the grill's closed, so we can't do that now. This place has got really good bright leaf hot dogs, but
Alright, we're gonna try to find this thing or what?
yeah. Nick rode the Grom for obvious reasons. And then the fucking kickstand. So we're gonna go on a mission.
Kickstand.
We're gonna go try to find that now, and then find some food.
If we find it,
Let us pray.
it'd be cool.
Do some Hail Marys.
Alright.
All right, fuck him, drop the bike. It was laying in the middle of the road at this intersection we went through earlier. We found it. Thanks, Corbin. We got some food at Five Guys. Say bye, Corbin. Duke did good. If any DRZs on the gap, let me know. All right, that's aggressive. The Grom did good, other than the kickstand.
Duck!
What?
Holy duck!
What the? It's a goose. It's a goose, you fuck. What do you think?
It's been a bad day for me.
Yeah. Hey, but both bikes still run.
Yeah. We out. We got a 12 o'clock video coming at 12 o'clock next week. Yeah.
Bye.
Later.
You over here mad scienting this thing after I gapped you?
Yeah. Something like that.
We had a crappy design on the filter. We just rigged it up, you know, quickly to get something on. Didn't really work out. That's the stock filter. And Nick got the DNA filter, and we got that in. Let me show you. You can kind of see it. We didn't film putting it in. It's pretty straightforward. You take the cover off and you put that on. It's really not that hard. But we're doing some tuning. Nice.
Okay, so we got the TPS on there. We're map 1 now. That's what we put it on when
Yep.
we did that, right? Map
Yeah,
1.
map 1.
All right, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna let it crank it up real quick. Kind of a cold start. Crank it up here. You haven't rode it since you put the ECU. You just rode it before I put the ECU on.
And I didn't ride it with the exhaust either. I rode it with the cab back.
Okay, so this will be the first time you ride
Yeah.
it since it was just a slip-on and the
Yes.
Fuel X.
That's it. Yeah, so it should be a lot
and we
quicker.
got the filter, DNA filter on here, and we got the fuel, the Powertronics and the Fuel X Pro, which is kind
Yeah.
of like an auto-tune thing. So he's gonna ride it. He's gonna come back and let me know how he feels, even though he gaps me every time we race. I'm trying to get these tunes.
with your old bike, that's
I'm trying to
bad.
get these tunes.
Gap you with your own
I
bike.
was like, I got the same mods as the Gen 2 on this bike, and it
Yeah.
feels, and I'm getting gapped by a Gen 2. Basically, look, I said to you, I basically said, it ain't fast enough. What's going on?
Yeah. Which when I
Oh, power, baby. One more thing. Do you want to take the GoPro and film me when you ride it?
yeah, I'll do that.
It'd be cool.
Yeah.
I can see you beating on my bike
Yeah.
like you always do.
Well, you told me to.
I might not even crank right now with this tune on there.
Wouldn't that be some shit?
Well, you know, fuel reserve. It's already warm.
And after looping it the other day, the only damage it took was these tiny little scratches. And then he bent the lever, so he put new levers on it, which he was going to do anyway.
When you don't hear him for a while, always do a courtesy phone check to see if he texts you. He's broke down or something. Nope. Adrian just told me he's coming over real quick though. Oh, I think I hear him. Maybe that's Adrian. Nope, that's Robbie. I hear a 390. I hear bikes from every direction. I hear a bike coming this way. And I hear a bike coming from this way. That's crazy. Black ice.
Oh my God, is that black ice? Oh my God, it's black ice.
What's up?
So when I floored it, after it warmed up, it broke up a little bit. There's a cop over there, by the way, so that's why I waited till I got way down there.
Yeah.
But it broke up a little bit. Huh?
Fuck the cops.
I should have done a wheelie by him.
Yeah.
Or looped it like Nick did.
Always like that.
Yeah.
Throw the bike at him. Anyway,
All right, let me take it for a ride then.
I was gonna say, do you want to ride it? Cause so on the way back, I slow rolled into it and it didn't break up at all.
Okay. It's the Powertronics.
Oh, y'all tuning?
Tuning,
All right,
Looney
so
tuning,
Looney tuning.
let me go for a ride then.
Choppa tune.
Hey, do a sick wheelie when you pull off.
Not right now.
Good luck. The guy's turn signal on.
What an idiot, bro.
Nick's one of them jokers that go down the street and forget to turn signal off.
Every time, bro.
And you be going like 5 miles of light, still be blinking.
Yeah. And we go right and it's still blinking left and then he's got to click it to the right. Let's check out this thing now. We haven't really showed your bike on the channel.
No, you haven't. You got to get a feature.
Yeah. Black ice.
Black ice.
It's so
That's my
clean.
pride and joy right there.
Yeah, I can see why. This thing's stupid clean. Yes, he lives the stereotype. He loves it.
Absolutely.
There's so much done to this bike, I don't even know where to film, bro. You know?
Yeah.
That Brock stuff. You keep that thing shiny, don't you, boy? Shit.
Got to.
And the powder coated wheels. God, I love that color, bro.
You see the custom disc brake cover?
Oh shit, that's nice.
I got that custom made.
Oh, that's clean, dude.
Yeah.
Who made that?
Like this guy named Mike Hood. Like not our Mike Hood, but
Oh,
the
really?
same name.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Dang, that's nice. So you know you're balling when you got the billet hub.
Got to.
He said any 125cc wants the gap.
Come get it.
This is the fastest 125 there is. Is it better? Did it clear up? It didn't break up any?
Just the fuel sum on this.
Oh, you did? What setting was it on?
I think 5. Well,
It was on 5. Probably needs to be higher, huh?
he had a lot of fuel to it, I think, right? It was like 9% fuel.
Yeah.
Well,
So, idiot. It feels faster
Yeah.
than last time I rode it. And the only thing we changed was the tune, the air filter, and now it has the actual header pipe. So it definitely should be faster. It felt faster to me. So you happy?
yeah, I'm happy with it.
All right, cool. We'll close this out.
Well, since you beat me, Adrian's gonna have to race you next time.
Oh,
Onyx
shit.
is coming.
No, you're gonna race this against him too.
Oh, he's putting a driver mod on this.
Okay.
I mean, we can do that. I think that'd be fun.
$7,000.
No, we'll just do rolls, okay? That way we ain't looping nobody's
That one came
shit.
straight up.
No, let's do a dig, man. Dig is for men. Dig
I
is
mean,
for men.
I'll give you that. I love
Hey,
dig
we're
racing.
doing dig. We're doing a dig.
Okay,
We'll do all of
we'll do 2 rolls
Two
and 1
rolls.
dig like we did.
Okay.
All right,
I only did
Okay,
2
cool.
rolls, though.
And then
locked in.
locked in. And I'm
Loser buys the other one a beer.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. That'll work.
That's cool.
And I'm coming for
I only
you.
did
with
2
Onyx
digs
too.
though, you know.
Oh, Onyx.
Yeah.
I ain't even worried about that bitch.
I only did the 2 rolls. That's it.
We need to do a mid-size track day and go to the drag strip.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
It's sick, right?
Yeah.
Bring the DRZs and we can gap all them.
Be gnarly.
Calling all DRZs.
Calling out all DRZs.
Yep.
Who want to smoke?
All right.
390 boys out.
I'm the underdog in this. I got a little 300cc, 286cc.
280. Oh, jeez. Ugh.
I'm like
Damn.
a peasant.
I put some more miles on it, but I think it's good.
All right, cool. All right, bye.
Choppa.
Choppa.